So, probably minimal interest, but just in the middle of Ellesmere, just been into the co-op over there, pick up a couple of Amazon items, and what they tend to do is put huge boxes on them. So I've got a huge rucksack, but even that is not quite enough. So what I'm doing is I'm removing the outer packaging. I don't know, it's just multi-pack, I don't even know what it is. Oh, eye wash, of course, as opposed to the more normal hog wash. So your thing, what you've got to do is basically disassemble these boxes. I'm going to disassemble them. I'm going to keep the label in there and get rid of that. But all this bulky cardboard we cannot do on those, so I'm going to crush it. There we go. That goes in the bin. Second one here, and again same drill. And inside the box, as we all know, huge box, tiny item. That's my new drain cover for the engine bay. So I'm going to get rid of that. Goes in there. The label goes in there. Into the rucksack. And the box gets squashed off. That goes in there. And the last one, same thing. Same thing. There we go. I think it's starting to rain. Stove glass cleaner. Absolutely essential. Does a much better job than water alone. Really shifts the muck. Clean the stove glass every morning. There we go. So, wait a minute. The bread can go on top. There we go. So all the heavy stuff, bread on top. Brill. And some actual shopping in the hood of the thing. Cracking, not designed for shopping, but does the job. In the hood here, huge hood, flat compartment I should say, and there's room for like a small bit of shopping in there, keeps it out of the way of the heavy cleaning fluids and, you know, the heavyweight items, so it doesn't get squashed. Now, keeping the label to one side. You're going to squash the box. This way is just disassemble it. It's a bit weird standing doing this in a town centre, but you sort of learn to have no shame, or not much, or not shame, embarrassment at doing unusual things. So there's the shopping plus the items. That's a bit of a weight, but it's going on my back, so it's fine. This is Ellesmere Town Centre. This is the car park. Well, obviously, and that's a cracking restaurant, that Mets, eh? Really good. There's the co-op, of course. And you get used to getting odd glances, ripping up cardboard in high street. So that place I've not tried yet, the co-op house. That place is great. DIY shop. all sorts of weird stuff and good stuff. This is kind of the main shopping street. It's about 200 yards long. Not been in that pub, the Swan. This place worth a visit. The Moylands or the Merlands. Really good little deli. You know, Euronics, electronic shop, Chinese. Quite nice, gotta say. Not top rated, but pretty decent. Chicken fried rice I can definitely vouch for. Not very busy. Nobody in. Kind of a second-hand bookshop, charity shop thing. I don't know. And the usual estate agent. Down there is a quite a nice little fish and chip shop as well. That's it. There's a little cellar bar down there, and there's another pub up here which that's right. Yeah. Okay, we'll see you. Yeah. That place there is an Amazon pickup place, Premier. The Mod Bombers, responsible current mad fuel. Hotels, boozer up there. Computer shop. That's whatever that is. Framing. And this is the way to the canal. It's actually working, yeah. This is the way to the canal. Just a couple of 100 yards, dare I say 300 yards. The magic 300 yards. But it's a lovely little street. Normally a bit busier than this. But Tesco at the far end. And then I'm about 100 yards, sorry, 200 yards perhaps, down the canal. That I suspect. I was going to say that, I suppose, but I'll whisper. So, up ahead, yeah, this Tesco, absolutely invaluable. And this is the Ellesmere. Some kind of huge winch crane thing. Really stored. With the coal. And now I'm not sure. Yeah. So, these are the boats moored up along the arm. Staffies. See them last summer near Bettersfield. Then there's a space, so someone's buggered off. Don't know who. Can't remember, there was someone here. Now there's a space. No doubt that'll be filled tomorrow. This is a slightly older couple. Very nice. And there that jazz. Now it says 72 hours max, so 3 days, but in winter that changes to 14, except where they're marked as winter moorings and someone's paid, which actually that elderly couple in front of me, they've paid to be there and they must be long term, you know, perhaps a month or two, I don't know. But where they're not marked, they're 14 days and then you have to bugger off, which to be honest is fair enough. So yeah, let's get in because it's starting to rain. Always a bit of a pain getting a large rucksack through a small door, but you know,